Volkswagen is taking electric mobility to the next level with the expansion of its sporty GTX models. In a double world premiere, Volkswagen introduces the ID.7 GTX and ID.7 GTX Tourer. These models boast individual exterior designs, unique front and light signatures, and sporty interior details. The GTX label, known for its driving dynamics, has already seen success, with every fifth newly registered ID.4 and ID.5 in Europe being a GTX model. High Granits, with its spontaneous and superior power delivery, the new ID.3 GTX performance is for me the electric counterpart to our sporty compact icon, the Golf GTI Club Sport. The ID.3 GTX features a unique exterior design, with GTX-specific front bumper and black elements, along with premium sports seats and a GTX-specific cockpit. Meanwhile, the ID.7 GTX Tourer offers the perfect combination of spaciousness and performance, with its dual-motor all-wheel drive system. The ID.7 GTX Tourer features distinctive design elements, heated individualized seats, and a spacious luggage compartment. Experience the future of electric mobility with Volkswagen's GTX models.